In this video, I'll show you how to change your PC wallpaper. It's going to be a step-by-step tutorial, so ensure you subscribe and turn on bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. If I go over to my PC desktop right now, right, this is our PC desktop, like our desktop background, you can see this profile picture. For you to be able to change this profile picture, you're gonna right click your mouse, right? Right click your mouse. Once you've right clicked your mouse, you're gonna see the personalize option. Click on the personalize, and from here you can see you're gonna click on this background, right? From here you can see the background, right? So these were my recent images I used in my PC for my background profile picture. If I click on it right here, if I go back to my, you can see I just changed the background of this laptop, right? If I still go back, I can do this. It's gonna change as well. So if I go back, if I do this, I'm gonna change it as well. So you can still select, let's say, an image or a photo. So I'm gonna use, let me say, I want to use the HowTo. I'm gonna choose picture. If I choose HowTo, I'm gonna see how it's gonna reflect, how it's gonna show right now. So I'm gonna go back to my, so this is it. This is how it's showing, but I think I can still adjust it. I can come on here, I'll click on the fit, right? If I click on the fit, I'm gonna get the best fit of the image, right? I'm gonna go back. So I think this is the best fit for it, right? So I don't think I'm gonna be using this. Maybe later on I'm gonna get our normal profile picture. So this is it. Yeah, this is basically how you can change your PC wallpaper. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through the video. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.